Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. And we have a new entrant into the mortgage rewards for credit card spend space. And this one's doing it a little bit differently, and they're not focusing on travel. So if your team cashback or your team, I need super extended warranties, I need peace of mind, maybe this is a card for you. But this is not a card for transferring points to travel partners and making travel better. This is called the Made card. And we're going to go through their press release a little bit and then go to the website. It's an interesting concept, so I just wanted to bring this forward. Let's talk about it. Made Cards, a New York City-based fintech company built to help homeowners save time, money, and stress, today announced the launch of the Made Essential Visa Signature Preferred Card, alongside $8 million in seed funding and a nationwide distribution partnership with Fairway Home Mortgages, one of the nation's largest retail mortgage originators, backed by leading investors including Jump Capital, Village Global, Recharge Capital, Soma Capital, as well as seasoned credit card and mortgage industry executives. Made Card is designed specifically for homeowners, offering unmatched rewards on their largest expenses and for making on-time mortgage payments, as well as exclusive perks like twice annual preventative maintenance visits by certified HVAC technicians. With no annual fee, cardholders will enjoy premium purchase protections in the case of loss, theft, or accidental damage, price match in case of price drops after purchases, as well as an extended warranty on purchases, helping homeowners feel confident and protected in their purchases. Coinciding with the release of the Made Essential Card, the Made mobile app will go beyond financial services by introducing large language model enabled home journal and concierge chatbot functionalities designed to simplify and enhance the homeowner experience. Through the Fairway partnership, Fairway borrowers will be invited to apply for a special Made Essential Visa card, allowing them for the first time to earn rewards tied to making on-time rent payments, on-time mortgage payments, as well as other everyday homeowner spending. These rewards can be redeemed toward lower closing costs on future Fairway refinances or purchases, a unique feature of this partnership. This benefit enables borrowers facing today's higher interest rates to refinance with less hassle and cost in the future. Fairway Home Mortgages will begin marketing the card through select loan offices and branches this month, with a broader nationwide launch plan for January of 2026. So you're hearing this here first, because I like you guys. You're going to hear about this card more in January from more cashback focused folks, because in the interim, folks are going to watch this video, go, what? No travel rewards, no Hyatt? And to you, I say, I'm sorry. This coming from the CEO of the company. Mortgages and credit cards are the two most important financial products most consumers will ever use, but they've never worked together. Traditional reward cards have long focused on travel and luxury perks, but for most households, those rewards feel out of reach or irrelevant. So they go on to wax poetic about the card, but here we have cardholders will have the ability to earn bonus points on their card spend by making on-time mortgage payments and earn accelerators on categories where they actually spend: home improvement, home maintenance, home furnishings, gas, groceries, and utilities, in addition to mortgage-related redemptions and lower and unique homeowner-focused rewards. Points can be redeemed for traditional credit card rewards like cashback and gift cards, as well as other more innovative rewards like credit card APR buy-downs, helping homeowners reduce monthly expenses and manage their finances more effectively. With that, we're going to stop worrying about the rest of this press release and check out the Made site. So this is the Made and Fairway car site. Earn rewards on your mortgage with every purchase from Made and Fairway. Check if you're pre-approved with no impact to your credit score. Whatever. You earn 3x points on gas, EV charging, groceries, and utilities, 2 times points on home improvement, maintenance, and furniture, 1x points on everything else, and 1x bonus points when you link your mortgage, 1x points for on-time mortgage payments for the amount of monthly card spend. That's where this gets interesting, and this is the little twist. Mesa requires you to spend $1,000 a month to unlock the rewards of your mortgage payment. Built is going to require, we don't know what they're going to do, because they are being really silent about how it's going to work for mortgage rewards. Maybe a little too silent. But with Made, every dollar that you spend would be a reward point on mortgage. So the way they explain it in their terms, I went through and looked at it. You could check out the Made site. I'm going to put the link down below. If you have a $2,000 mortgage, but you only spend $1,500 a month through the card, you're going to get 1,500 points for the mortgage on top of your multipliers for everything else. So if that $1,500 in spend is $500 in gas, that's 1,500 points. And why are you spending $500 on gas? I know gas is expensive, but like the $500 in groceries would make more sense. So let's say $500 in groceries, that would be 1,500 points. $100 in gas, that's 300 points. Utilities, let's say $300 on utilities, that's another 900 points. Home maintenance, depending on the month, maybe you go to, I don't know, Raymore and Flanagan. Is that enough of a national brand? I don't know. You go to Raymore and Flanagan, you buy a new couch, $1,500 in spend. You get 1,500 points from your mortgage on top of the multipliers that you would get on the rest of your spend. So 3x gas, EV, utilities, and groceries, 2x on home furnishings, home related maintenance, all of that. Your HVAC, your cleaning, I guess your cleaning service, home improvement stores, all of that, that would be 2x, and then 1x on everything else. So it's really interesting that they're flat out saying you will get 1 point per dollar on your mortgage payment, but they're not going to have a spending minimum because what you spend is what you'll get. Again, I don't think you're going to, if you spend $2,000 a month on a mortgage, if you spend more than $2,000 on the card, you're not going to get anything past that $2,000 or 2,000 points. So this is breaking the churning bit. This is breaking a couple of other pieces that could be bad. It'll certainly be interesting to see what they do with this and how they go about it. Looking at the terms that I was looking at, it was, so real quick, we'll check these terms. And this is a reward agreement. Mortgage matching. If you link your eligible mortgage account or provide acceptable proof of your mortgage payment or statement, you may be eligible for mortgage matching. Once we approve your account for mortgage matching, you are eligible to earn 1 matched point for every dollar spent on your card during the billing cycle. Mortgage matching is limited to the 1 point per whole dollar on your monthly mortgage payment. So for example, if your mortgage payment is $2,000 and you make $1,500 in purchases during the billing cycle, you will earn 1,500 points for your purchases, plus any other point matching as may be applicable, plus 1,500 points from mortgage matching. If you make $2,500 in purchases during the billing cycle, you will earn 2,500 points for your purchases, at least, plus any other point matching as may be applicable. This is the 3x, the 2x, whatever, plus 2,000 points for mortgage matching. Mortgage matching is calculated separate and in addition to any other point matching that may be available. To be eligible for mortgage matching, the mortgage account you provide must be related to your primary residence, and you must be an owner of record on the property. If at any time we find that your mortgage was not eligible or any information provided was inaccurate, incomplete, or otherwise cannot be verified, we reserve the right to revoke any points that may have been granted in connection with the program. Mortgage accounts may only be linked to one account at a time. Mortgage matching points are awarded at our sole discretion. We will not exceed your monthly mortgage payment amount and are subject to monthly verification. We may suspend or terminate this feature at any time. Pretty strongly worded in the terms. Not a lot of wiggle room for those who want to exploit this. What can you get back in terms of rewards? Statement credits, cash back on your mortgage, and gift cards primarily. There's no mention of travel. Doesn't sound like there's going to be any mention of travel, but just wanted to highlight a new entrant into the mortgage rewards space, another fintech coming through. The card is issued through Lead Bank. It's a Visa. Apparently it's got some pretty strong purchase protections. That is where they're going to bring folks in with purchase protections, extended warranties, and price matching after purchase. Cool. The exploiting crew will find a way to exploit it, I'm sure, but it seems that it is going a little bit more into here's cash back for you. So we'll see what ends up happening with it, but I'm interested to see how this card goes. I'm sure that there will be folks who will sign up for it. Looks like any mortgage will qualify. It just looks like there will be more benefits for Fairway customers. Don't know if you're a Fairway customer. Don't really care. It's your mortgage. Do what you want. But it looks like there will be extra benefits for Fairway customers and a slightly different card for those customers. So we'll see what happens, but I wanted to highlight the Made card as another mortgage card that is launching. It'll be interesting to see if any of the big banks start to take up this particular area of rewards and reward matching. Wells Fargo would have made sense. They've been cutting back on mortgages a ton. Bilt is jumping in there, but they're not as big as American Express. American Express will never do this. Chase, I don't know. Capital One might be a wild card, but who knows what their business model is going to be going forward. And Citi, I wouldn't trust to do this. And US Bank, I wouldn't trust to do this. So maybe it's good that it's the smaller companies, but let me know in the comments what you think about this potential card. But that's going to do it for this one. If you like what I do, hit the subscribe button down below. If you want to support me here on YouTube, consider becoming a channel member. You can check out my pinned comment for ways to support me outside of YouTube. Check out the Stack Your Points podcast. We record on Mondays, we release on Wednesdays and Fridays. We do a live here on Thursdays at 8:30 p.m. Check that out. But thanks so much for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.